Want to know the IELTS Canada 2021 eligibility requirements and band score? IELTS is very important if you are planning to pursue your studies in Canada this year. Every university in Canada has its own requirement with regards to IELTS. In this video, we will talk about IELTS General, Academic, CLB, that is Canadian Language Benchmark, requirement and whether it is possible to go to Canada without IELTS. Hey guys, welcome back to Leap Scholar. We are a one-stop platform for your study abroad dream. Connect with student mentors, get free counseling, IELTS preparations, loans, scholarships and much more. We keep creating informative content on study abroad. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to get constant updates. So let's get started. The eligibility score for the IELTS exam for Canada ranges from 6 to 7.5 for most. Several top universities do ask for a score of 8 or 8.5 in IELTS, but that is quite rare. For working professionals, a standard score of 7 to 8 is acceptable. Since they are required to communicate with higher level professionals and the locals in equal measure, they must know the language well. So now let's quickly go through the requirements for IELTS Canada 2021. There are no prerequisites for it. If you want to move to country to study or work, you can apply to write the examination. However, there is a CLB, Canadian Language Benchmark requirement that you must fulfill to acquire a seat in a reputed university or to get employment in one of the top companies in Canada. Now let us take a look at how the requirements of IELTS for Canada are expected to proceed as of 2021. Here are the requirements for express entry with IELTS. Most skilled workers or students prefer to acquire an express entry or permanent residence visa so they can stay in the country indefinitely. It also helps in acquiring a job after completing their higher education in Canada. However, the Canadian government has mandated a Canadian language benchmark to qualify for a PR visa or express entry. You must have a band score of at least 6 in each section of the IELTS exam for Canada in order to qualify. You also need a high comprehensive ranking score CRS to obtain a PR visa, but more on that later. For now, let us take a detailed look at the band score requirements that you need to fulfill during your IELTS exam for Canada. Check the table here for exact data. For an increased chance at acquiring an express entry or PR visa, you need to achieve a minimum band score of 7. Your proficiency in the English language increases your chances of getting a PR visa. Now let's find out the eligibility band score. Each university in Canada has set its own Canadian language benchmark for the requirements of a score in IELTS exam for Canada. For both the academic exams and the general exams, the minimum requirement is to get a band score of 6 and above. If you want to move to Canada for higher education, you need to take the academic IELTS test for Canada. However, if you are planning to move to the Great North for employment or applying for immigration and PR visa, then you must take the general IELTS exam for Canada. Now that we have seen the requirements and eligibility for IELTS in Canada, let's check out the academic IELTS exam for Canada. As we have mentioned before, each university has its own CLB. This is a primary factor that affects your eligibility to the top universities in the country of Canada. We have selected the top 10 universities that accept the IELTS Canada results for CLB, including those located in the capital of the country and other major cities. Here are the universities to which you can apply based on their requirements for band score in IELTS Canada. Now, let's quickly go through the general IELTS exam. In order to acquire employment in Canada, you must have a good CRS score, which is largely influenced by your score in IELTS Canada. You need the following band scores in IELTS to apply for employment and Canadian resident visa. So these are the test scores for IELTS Canada. Now let's see how long are the results valid. The results of the IELTS exam for Canada are valid for 2 years from the date of exam. Universities and companies sometimes insist on the submission of latest exam results from 6 months ago. This is simply because most candidates do not uphold their English proficiency after the culmination of the exam. You can convince the university or your employer of your competence in English proficiency if your results are older than 6 months. Now, you must be wondering whether it is possible to go to Canada without giving IELTS or not. Although you cannot get a PR visa without IELTS, you may be able to acquire a job or higher education without appearing for IELTS in Canada. So here are some of the possibilities which allows you to go to Canada without even appearing for IELTS. First is if you acquire a job and satisfy the company's requirement for English proficiency without the scores from the IELTS. Second, if your company sponsors your move to Canada. Third, to apply for higher education without a verified score in the IELTS. You must have studied in an English medium school for more than 4 years. Fourth, you can also apply for higher education with TOEFL scores instead of English proficiency scores from the IELTS. Fifth, there are a number of colleges in Canada that do not ask for an IELTS score. If you do not want to apply for the IELTS exam for Canada, then you can seek admission at one of the following universities. First is University of Brock. Second, University of Saskatchewan. Third, University of Winnipeg. Fourth, University of Regina. Fifth, Carleton University. And sixth, Memorial University. Keep in mind that even though these above mentioned universities allow admission without the scorecard, they do conduct their own English proficiency test to evaluate your eligibility. So that was all for this video. Do check out our playlist on scholarships in Canada by clicking on the I button. Getting admission into your dream university is challenging. Leap Scholar is a brilliant one-stop platform that provides students with loans and scholarships, IELTS coaching, help with visa and much more, so you can realize your dreams of studying abroad. Check our website leapscholar.com for more information. All the best and take the leap.